In this video, we will introduce the prep for Pure Storage Certified FlashArray Implementation Specialist (FAIS) exam. What is Pure Storage Certified FlashArray Implementation Specialist (FAIS) exam? Who should take the FAIS exam? Recommended experience. Key exam domains. Preparation tips. 1. An implementation engineer is performing a capacity consolidation on an X50R3. Which command is needed for the engineer to determine whether the customer's FlashArray supports SAS flash modules? A. Pure Drive List, Total, Type Controller. B. Pure HW List, Type Controller, All. C. Pure HW List, Type Drive, All. Answer: C. 2. Support requests a power cycle on a newly installed FlashArray. What is the correct way to perform this action? A. Push the power button on each controller. B. Unplug the cable on each power supply. C. Run Pure Array Reboot. Answer: C. 3. A customer has a FlashArray X20R3 with 2220 seconds data packs in the chassis at 80% space usage and wishes to swap one of the data packs for a 45 TB pack. What step needs to be taken to facilitate this consolidation? A. Send a direct flash shelf without any additional capacity. B. Send a direct flash shelf with a 63 TB of temporary extra capacity. C. Reduce array space usage to allow for the evacuation of the 22 TB packs. Answer: B. 4. A FlashArray arrives with Purity 5.3.8 applied out of the factory. The account team requests that the array configured with Purity 6.1.21. Which steps should the implementation engineer select to meet this requirement? A. Create a bootable USB stick from the 6.1.21 ISO file and reimage both controllers with it. B. Copy the PPKG and SHA-1 files to a USB stick and upgrade the controllers. C. Configure the array with the current code and then open a case with support to upgrade. Answer: A. 5. An implementation engineer is scheduled to install a FlashArray in a direct flash shelf, DFS. What action should the implementation engineer perform? A. Refer to the recommended DFS versions for Purity releases, KB, and upgrade Purity on the FlashArray in DFS. B. Install the array in DFS with the Purity that shipped and have support upgrade remotely. C. Only upgrade the Purity on the FlashArray and then attach the DFS. Answer: A. 6. An implementation engineer needs to run the Pure Setup Replace procedure on the FlashArray X during a controller upgrade. Which command should the implementation engineer run on the new controller to determine its model? A. hwconfig, all. B. hwconfig, model. C. Pure Array List, controller. Answer: B. 7. Which action should an implementation engineer take to confirm that all volumes connected to a host are automatically in a protection group? A. Add the volumes as members of a protection group. B. Add a new volume each time it is attached to the host. C. Add a host as a member of a protection group. Answer: C. 8. A customer wants to expand the capacity of their FlashArray X10 from 5/5 to 11/11. Which is the correct action to take? A. Evacuate and swap one pack at a time. B. Perform a drive-by-drive swap of the modules. C. Install a swing shelf with loan capacity to evacuate to. Answer: C. 9. An implementation engineer is setting up a customer environment and has specified a number of NTP servers. Which command should the implementation engineer run to list the NTP servers that have been configured? A. Pure DNS list, NTP server. B. Pure network list, NTP server. C. Pure array list, NTP server. Answer: B. 10. After upgrading Purity during a new installation, which command should an implementation engineer run to determine what version of Purity will be loaded at the next boot of the FlashArray? A. Pure array list, controller. B. Pure version A. C. Pure boot list. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.